Absolutely not. I'm like falling. Oh no! Stay there with your shirt on. Why are you slouching? Sit up straight. Welcome to a mystery box, an Easter mystery box. I've had this thing for like a month. I ordered it super early because I was like, this is a fun video to do. I do not know what's inside. I think it's food. I'm almost certain it's food. So it's a taste test. Usually I do taste tests on Tuesday, but it is a Monday today because it's Easter Monday. So if you celebrate, happy Easter. If you don't, let's see what's in this mystery box for fun. It's a still fun day, right? Monday fun day. Said no one ever. All right, let's go. If you're new here, you can subscribe to my channel. You can. If you would like to, I'm me forcing people, you can subscribe. I really appreciate it. And if you turn on the notification bell, it'll notify you for my videos because a lot of people wonder why they don't get notified for my videos or why I'm not uploading. And I'm like, I posted. And people are like, I don't know where, I haven't seen it. So that's why, the bell. But there's like this, see? This is, although it looks like a T-Rex spine, does it? I don't know why I've been like into researching dinosaurs lately. Like anyway, I've been into researching dinosaurs. If you want some dino knowledge, hit up your girl. No one wants dino knowledge. No one thinks Monday's a fun day, but we're trying to make it that, all right? The sun is kind of starting to set, so it's in a weird place. So if I just position it in my boobs, it looks like I got like pearls in my, you know? Anyway, mystery box time. Easter edition! Woo! Also, I'm sick, so if I'm a little off or sound like nasally, I'm a little under the weather, but it's Easter and we need some Easter chocolate, okay? Happy Easter, happy Easter, everyone. Woo! Oh my, oh yeah, okay. This is not the Easter box, Easter mystery box, but I ordered this from Dankmart. I'm not sponsored. I ordered it myself. They do not sponsor me or anything, but I ordered also this. So that's why this is in here. There's the mystery box. I'm not gonna try these because I want to try them in bed eating and watching TikToks, but if you care, this is Arizona combo tray, chunky salsa with tortilla chips. I thought there was gonna be cheese. Oh well, I'll let you guys know how this is, but I wanted this as well. It's not part of the box. Like, isn't that so cool, Arizona? Here is the mystery box. I thought it was gonna be bigger. Okay, oh my God, it's heavy. And that's all that's in there. All right, so I got myself an Easter present and it's my own little Easter basket. It says Dankmart on it and with little buddies. Playboy is shook. Playboy is like, give us back our brand. Just kidding. Okay, so this mystery box was $25. So I don't know what's in it. I can't wait. This is fun. This is a fun video, right? Also, if you don't have yourself as your background, what are you doing in life? Totes my goats, kidding. Anyways, I'm so excited. Happy Easter to myself. I'm very thankful for everyone in my life and everyone who's watching this video and for this Care Bear with its Juicy Couture shirt. Ooh, this is fun. Is it worth 25 doll hairs? Ooh, oh, my ears. I just realized I did the thumbnail without the ears. I'm gonna Photoshop ears on in the thumbnail. Like what? I forgot them. Also, they party. Me. Look it! Ow! They party! I can't believe I forgot the thumb. The ears in the thumbnail. Okay, ready? Mystery box! Easter edition! Oh my gosh. My nails all flipping off. It's spiders. What would be spiders? Okay. Oh, okay. Ready? Mike and Ike! Oh my God, it's a bunny! Oh, this is so cute! Dankmart sticker, always advertising. I love that I got a little Easter basket. Easter mystery basket, fun! Okay, so the first thing are Mike and Ike Easter treats. I don't know if they're just, oh, there's pineapple, banana, strawberry, grape, cherry, and lemon lime. So they're not that iconic, just the packaging looks iconic. I know what Mike and Ike's taste like, but we're gonna go ahead and try the pineapple banana one because I've never tried that one. Oh my God, what the heck? Oh, that's what they look like. There's literally one yellow one. Here it is. I'm gonna spit it out in the box. Not that good. The next thing, one of my favorite chocolate bars, literally without cutting, I'm just gonna go to, like without cutting this clip, go to my side drawer. I literally have a little bit of, I have these here. This one is pink though, so we love it. So I'm probably just gonna put this in the side drawer. But these are just little M&Ms, mini M&Ms. I know what these taste like, but it's like an Easter haul mystery box moment, right? Who could go wrong? I love this pink too. If you don't know what they look like, they're just mini M&Ms. Packaging is so festive. I love this Easter basket. I don't think I'm gonna try everything. Oh my god, there's a whole pack of Oreos. What are those? What? 5 fun Easter designs, green colored cream, same taste. So they're just Oreos. Limited edition Oreo Hop. Oh my god. Hip hop, hip hop anonymous. So these are all the different designs you can get here. Oh my god. Ah! Oh yum. They're just Oreos. There's nothing different, but they are double stuffed, it looks like. Oh yeah. This is a good Easter basket. Honestly, I'm telling you. Look at how cute. Green? I feel like they should have had like different pastels, but we're not upset. Which one did I choose? The bunny. Kind of looks like me after a night of drinking, not gonna lie. You gotta love just like a traditional Oreo. I love a little Festivus. And I love that they give you a whole package of Oreos. Like, I would also love to see what you guys got for, if you got an Easter basket, or if you got an Easter present, or if you got any candy, or if you got yourself a little thing. You can tweet it to me on Twitter. I would love to see it. I just love Easter. I think it's fun. It's a fun little holiday. And you hop around. These guys keep falling down. I can't. Okay, the next thing is Sour Patch Kids. I don't like anything sour, but we're gonna give these a go. And these are bunnies, or lapin, right? Lapin? What? I'm so smart. Sour Patch Lapins. Okay, let's take a look at these. I am so curious. They come in a bag. They don't look like bunnies. Oh, no, that one looks like a bunny. Oh, they do. Okay, I see you. Real big of you to hate on someone, but you don't even know how to make a candy. Taking the red one. Oh, yum. I bet they're even like sour. Okay, they're not like that sour. Ugh, orange one? Who would do that? Yellow? Why am I so yellowy today? Green? I can't even put it in my mouth. I don't think I've really given them a try. These are my favorite things so far. What? The next thing in my little Easter basket is a Reese's White Egg. A Reese's White Egg. I don't want to try this right now. I want to eat it later in peace. But what's the point of the video then? Oh! No one, me, turns into a demon. This is also sad. Like, this is like Olaf pre-op. Honestly, white chocolate with Reese. Oh my god, nothing better. I've had the cups, but the egg, I mean, it's not like revolutionary, but I appreciate it. You are missing out if you haven't tried that. I'm gonna put this in my little candy drawer. Woo. And the very last thing in this box, other than red little curly hair, or whatever this is. I don't know what is this? It's not styrofoam. Like cardboard? Squiggly cardboard? That's my stripper name. Squiggly cardboard. Anyways, is another Reese's, and it's peanut butter cups mallow top, marshmallow flavored cream with milk chocolate. Oh my gosh, so it's marshmallow on top, and then milk chocolate on the bottom, and then the peanut butter in the middle. The Reese's peanut butter in the middle. I'm very excited for this. These are gluten-free. Look at that. Oh my god, it smells like marshmallow. I'm so excited. Look at these. The Easter bunny came hopping along. The Easter bunny came hopping. Oh god, this. Oh my god. Okay. The joyous. Oh. Wow. You literally get every flavor. The marshmallow is the first thing I taste. Then the peanut butter. It literally, in order how they go, is the order I taste them. But the most overpowering is that marshmallow. Yum! Oh, I'm so excited. I got lots of candy for Easter weekend. I hope I brighten your guys' day today and put a smile on your face. Just wants to sleep, and I'm like, no, you have to perform as the background. Me when I was in my high school play. So I hope you guys have a very happy Easter. Thank you so much for watching. This was, I know people might think that this was a pointless video, but I didn't know what was gonna be in here, okay? I wanted to open it with you and open my Easter basket with you. I love you guys. Hope you have a wonderful day, and you deserve all the love and great things happening to you today. Love you. Bye.